Right now, you're looking at a business sentiment score of minus 0.07, which feels particularly noteworthy when you consider that the momentum is pushing up at plus 0.65. This divergence is unusual. Typically, we see a more aligned sentiment and momentum. With 19 semantic clusters identified, the API returns not just a score, but a nuanced breakdown of sentiment across various topics and themes. This means you can pinpoint where the negativity is stemming from and understand the underlying drivers of business sentiment. Imagine you're developing a dashboard for a client. You could leverage this data to alert them to potential downturns, helping them pivot strategy in real time. For more insights, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.